and it's time to unbox the main product of the day. Welcome back to another video on our channel. Thank you for tuning in, and today we'll be unboxing some more stuff. We have about 3 boxes here, and this is going to be the major stuff, and I think in the description you already read what it's all about. We are going to change our vlogging setup. Location, I forgot to tell you, we'll talk about that first. We are in the studio actually now. We are at my friend Santosh's studio. He's camera shy, he's not coming here now. He's here. Okay, he's getting a call, so we let him do his job. I'm basically disturbing him here. Let's get on with the video and start unboxing. This is a really nice packing from I'm a Student. What is this? Rentals pamphlet or something. The bill. Nice thermocol packing, and the products are here. So first out is the GoPro mic adapter. The second is the battery and the charger. Shorty for vlogging. We've all been waiting for. We'll throw this away first. This is the GoPro Hero 9. We have 2-3 other stuff which we ordered on Amazon. Okay, the most important part for a motovlogger. This casing. This is what keeps motovloggers going. There's something else as well. Okay. Let's keep the bill aside, clear the cardboard. And yeah, this is a pair of tempered glass for the GoPro. This is another product which is very handy, tidy to mount the GoPro on the helmet without all that gluing and M-seal and all that stuff. So let's try this out. I have my helmet, we'll try mounting it as well. So the stuff the vloggers hate the most, it's the GoPro mic adapter. I don't know why, since all these years GoPro has never allowed us to connect the mic directly. Place a link in the description regarding all the products that I got from I'm a Student, so you can go check there. Small device here gives you the best audio out. Previously I was using the Sena 10C Pro. The audio was great, I had no issues with that, but the video was the problem. We'll do the baby stuff first. This is something I always want to carry with me. Spare battery and a charger. The box, you get a USB-C cable, the GoPro battery. This is a spare one. It's packed inside a plastic cover as well. And this is the charging hub. It's a very handy, tiny, well-designed hub as well. Next comes the Shorty. This I like because it's compact, it's small, it's handy, so I decided to get a Shorty for the vlogs when I'm not on the motorcycle. You actually get a bundle on the GoPro website, but I opted to pick all this stuff separately. And here it is. Keep the box aside so tables are clean. And this is an extension pole basically. Not too tall, but yeah, good enough. You want to take some selfies once in a while. And you can use it as a tripod as well. And this is interesting. We have a metal screw to mount. Never seen this before. A hand screw. So here it is. This is the Shorty. It's kind of tight initially, I don't know why. So that's there. This is from Blu Armour spares chin mount. This is basically a spare for them. And the picture inside shows the air conditioning unit which is used in helmets. This was designed for that, but I think if it could hold that unit, it can hold the GoPro as well. Looks nice, small, doesn't mess up the helmet as well, and dedicated slot with a 3M sticker at the back. Just clean the helmet, remove the dust off, peel the sticker and place it in, so you're good to go. No M-seal, no Fevikwik, nothing. None of the traditional stuff. This is a new solution. This is what keeps the entire unit intact. No unnecessary wiring and all that stuff. This is from Ulanzi. This is the G94. This is for GoPro 9. This is a plastic casing. This is not the metal one. They have a metal one on the website as well. It's got a lot of options. You have a lens cover here. These are the 3 parts which come with the Ulanzi casing. This is detachable. This is an ND filter adapter. You have this locking system here. You just have to move it. I don't know if you can see it. It's quite dark. It's just impressed there. So this is how the door opens. And similarly, there is another button here, and just pull it out and the side door opens. Very basic stuff. Using this bracket, you can mount a mic as well as a light, or however you want to mount the mic on the left or the right. This is how it fits. Push it out, it comes out. Otherwise, you just use a single slot here. And in case you're not using the camera and you want to protect your lens cover, and it goes like this. That's it. Came along with this card about their brand and 2 stickers, camera vlogging accessories and their branding stickers basically. And it's time to unbox the main product of the day. I don't think we need a knife for this. What do we? Okay. Unbox something expensive, it feels nice. And it comes with this 1-year warranty, extended warranty card, and here it is. It didn't come out that great, but yeah. It comes in a nice carry case. So let's unbox the GoPro Hero 9. And this is what it is. This is how it looks when you unbox it. They come up with this neat recycled cardboard whatever. You can use the bag without the cardboard as well. It comes with this USB cable, this curved sticker mount, this attachment for this sticker, that is to place the camera here, lock it up, and it goes in, it slides in through this bracket. The battery for the camera and the hand screw. And finally, the GoPro Hero 9. Big wide screen behind. We have a screen in the front. We have some instruction manuals here, some stickers. We have 3 stickers actually, 1 wide, 1 square, and a small one. This is something new, and some more details, so we'll keep this aside for now. It's a nice pouch. If you don't want to use this, you can use this pouch. Actually, it's pretty sturdy. You've got this meshed compartment here. You can store in a lot of stuff as well. Okay, now let's unwrap the camera. This feeling is really nice. Oh, it's quite some premium finish. Get this sticker here. I'm not going to remove the covers until I open this and stick them all to this. Buckle here, the bottom. This is a very neat idea. Previously we could detach them, and we had to detach them if you want to use some other casing, but now you just fold them in. There's the power and mode button here, your record button on the top. We need to pull this clip here and the door opens. This is a detachable door basically. Yeah, it has to come out somewhere. It's quite hard now. Yeah, the battery goes in here. The USB-C cable is here to charge the GoPro, and the memory card slot is there. My favorite part, the lens cover. You can remove the lens cover. You get some accessories for this, as you can use some ND filters as well. And we just let's see how our first attempt is. Yes, with a click sound, and it's popped on. So there we go. That's our new vlogging set. There's one thing missing. How do we get great audio with a microphone? That is on the way. It's still in transit. It hasn't arrived yet. So now, to complete the MotoVlog setup, we need to mount the camera onto the helmet. I've connected my older helmet mount that I used previously. This is a strap type helmet mount, which you can just strap it around the chin of your helmet. This Blu Armour that I ordered, which I unboxed right now, it doesn't suit this helmet since we have these air vents here on both the sides. So when I place it here, it comes in the way, and this entire thing is not firmly held onto the helmet. So that's the reason we're not using that. We'll use that for my other helmet in case if I want to use that helmet for some rides. But for now, we'll go with this. And we need to remove this door here. It is a little tight, but yeah, to get used to it. This is the metal door which comes off the camera. I've placed the battery to charge. I've placed both the batteries, so we'll make use of one of the batteries now. Hey, get me the camera. We'll power the camera on as well. We'll see how it starts. I'll try showing it to you. I'm vlogging on the phone as of now. I don't know how far it's clearly visible. Here. So you'll need a memory card. If you have one already, it's good. If not, please get yourself one. I use the Extreme Pro 64GB card here. Once you push it in, it'll just stay there. You'll listen to a click sound. So here's the battery. We'll slide the battery in like that, and the power button's here. Let's hold the power button and see what happens. And the camera is on. See, GoPro. Finally, we'll be vlogging with GoPro Hero 9. You just got to go through some settings. This is a touchscreen, so language is English. We say okay. There's some legal stuff. We just agree as usual. You can turn on the tag your footage with location, speed, altitude, and more. Yes, we'll keep the GPS on, and we can install the GoPro app. My phone's used for vlogging, so I'll do that later. So that's it for now. We'll skip this step, and we need to set the date. So today is the 30th of June 2021, and the time is 4:55 p.m. Good time. And the battery is already charged 82%. Not bad. That's some quick charging. To mount the camera onto the helmet, we've already placed the camera into the housing. I will not be using this clamp that I've got from the GoPro box, which is come in the box. Instead, I will use this J clamp. This is an aftermarket product. We get this from GoPro as well. I just have this handy now, so I'm using this. Why I'm not using this and why am I going to use this, I'll tell you. Once I place the GoPro here, I will need some amount of adjustment to move the camera. So once that is placed, I will not have too much space. Where is that lamp? Here. If this is here, this doesn't have much of a gap. The camera gets too close to the helmet and there's no adjustment, so that's the reason we'll use this. In this, we have this small extension here. This would be much better. So let's go ahead and mount it. We have some movement here. It depends on how you want to place the camera. You can place it like this, or you can place it the other way around as well. It depends on what kind of angle that you're looking for and what bike you're riding, and decide. But for now, I'll mount it straight up. Just slide it in there like that and lock it, and there we go. It's placed. So that's our new vlogging setup. This is I would say this is a traditional vlogging setup. I tried using the Sena all these days. The mic adapter goes in. Okay, it's not that heavy. The camera is light. The casing is of a plastic material, so the weight is minimized a lot. And they have openings for the microphone as well. It's a nice design. And to complete this MotoVlog setup, we need a microphone, which I do not have now currently with me. It should be here in a day or two. So we'll connect the microphone inside the helmet here, and we'll plug it into this adapter using the 3.5mm jack. Only then the entire MotoVlog setup is complete. This is going to be our new MotoVlog setup. And from today onwards, that is any other vlog that comes after this video, you will be seeing the videos shot from this camera. We've reached the end of this video. So with a new motovlogging kit here already installed, technically installed on my helmet here. New motovlogging kit means new road trips, new adventures. So stay tuned. Like, share and subscribe, you know the drill. And for constant updates, do follow me on my Instagram handle as well. The link is in the description and the ID will come somewhere on the screen. So stay notified. Until the next video, take care.